Question 1 asks us to find the value of the gradient at a particular point on this curve here, which is given to us implicitly. So for these types of questions, we need to differentiate each part of the equation separately and then go from there. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to differentiate 4x squared, which is 8x. I'm going to differentiate 2xy, and to do 2xy I'm going to split this and treat it as a product, which it is, and use the product rule. So that's differentiating the first term and leaving the second term alone. So that's 2y plus leaving the first term alone and differentiating the second term. Now we're differentiating y. If we were differentiating y with respect to y, that would go to 1. But we're not going to differentiate it with respect to y. We want dy by dx. We're differentiating with respect to x. And when you differentiate a y with respect to x, we say that you just get dy by dx. So that's going to be 2x, leaving the first term alone, and differentiating the second will be 2x dy by dx. Same thing with the y squared. When we differentiate y squared, we get 2y. If it was with respect to y, but because this is with respect to x, we're going to need to also times by dy by dx. And then we've also got equals 0 on the right hand side. So that's what we get just when we differentiate each term, but we've now got to work out the value of the gradient. So we need to have dy by dx equals something. So to do that, I'm going to keep the two terms with the dy by dx on one side. I'm going to keep those on the left hand side, and I'm going to move the other two terms to the right. So that's going to be a minus 8x and a minus 2y. We can then factorise out that dy by dx because it's in both of those two first terms. So that will be dy by dx bracket 2x plus 2y, and that still equals minus 8y, minus 8x minus 2y, and then we can divide by that bracket there to say that dy by dx equals minus 8x minus 2y, all divided by 2x plus 2y. So that's what we get when we differentiate, but we want to find the value of the gradient at 1, 2. So because we just want the value of the gradient, there's no need to cancel this down or anything. We're just literally going to put in the point 1, 2 and work out the value. You could cancel down, but there's no point. We can cope with this as it is. So we are going to get minus 8 minus 4 over 2 plus 4, which is minus 12 over 6. So dy by dx comes out at negative 2.